No one could believe it. My mother, who once could barely walk because of joint pain, can now move freely like she did in her youth, all thanks to a simple ingredient found right in the kitchen. It's not a medicine nor a luxury secret, but simply fresh ginger, a familiar ingredient found in every kitchen. Stay until the end of this video, because I'll reveal how to make a natural ginger oil that helps your joints stay flexible, strong, and light day by day. Today's main ingredient is fresh ginger. First, wash the ginger thoroughly to remove any dirt and let it dry. Ginger isn't just a common kitchen spice, it's also a natural healer known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Thanks to its key compound, gingerol, fresh ginger helps reduce swelling, ease stiffness, and soothe sore joints effectively. After washing, slice the ginger into thin pieces to allow its nutrients to be fully released during the infusion process. This small root holds incredible power. It can warm the joints, reduce inflammation, and restore flexibility to your legs, especially helpful on cold or changing weather days. Beyond that, ginger also helps stimulate blood circulation, bringing a pleasant warmth and comfort to the body. It helps your legs feel lighter, your joints more flexible, and significantly eases soreness and stiffness. Place the sliced ginger into a clean, heat-resistant glass bowl. Make sure the bowl can withstand heat well, as this will be important for the next steps. If you've ever tried using ginger for pain relief or foot soaks, share your experience in the comments below. Your story might inspire someone who's looking for a bit of natural healing today. The second ingredient in this recipe is garlic, a familiar kitchen spice that holds remarkable healing power. Start by peeling the garlic carefully to remove any dirt or impurities, ensuring the purity and effectiveness of the mixture throughout the preparation process. Garlic contains abundant sulfur compounds and allicin natural substances, known for their powerful anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and joint-soothing properties. In addition, garlic helps improve blood circulation, relax muscles, reduce stiffness, and enhance overall flexibility. Now slice the garlic thinly and add it to the same jar with the ginger we prepared earlier. Interestingly, some studies suggest that garlic may also help reduce salt and toxin buildup around the joints, allowing them to move more freely while easing the feeling of heaviness and fatigue in the body. When ginger and garlic come together, they form a true golden duo, warming the body, reducing inflammation and pain, and improving joint flexibility for a lighter, more agile feeling every day. The next ingredient in today's recipe is onion, a familiar kitchen staple that holds remarkable benefits for joint health. Start by peeling and finely chopping half an onion, just as you did with the ginger and garlic. Onions are rich in antioxidants and natural sulfur compounds, which help reduce swelling and inflammation, soothe joint pain, and promote better blood circulation around the affected areas. It's no coincidence that onions have been considered a folk medicine for thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians used it to relieve swelling and pain. Greek athletes ate it to keep their muscles flexible. And in India, people believed it helped balance energy and improve circulation. Now, add the finely chopped onion to the same bowl with the ginger and garlic, spreading it evenly. Next, drop in 10 black peppercorns and 10 cloves. Though small, these two ingredients work wonders. They help warm the joints, stimulate circulation, and soothe deep-seated pain, bringing a gentle yet lasting sense of relief. Finally, pour olive oil into the bowl until it completely covers the mixture. The olive oil acts as the perfect base, allowing it to extract all the valuable essences from the ginger, garlic, onion, peppercorns, and cloves. As these ingredients blend, they create a natural massage oil that gently warms the joints, eases pain and stiffness, and helps keep your joints flexible, strong, and comfortable day after day. Now comes the most important step, extracting the joint healing essence. Place the glass bowl into a pot of water, lining the bottom with a cloth to prevent it from cracking. Then heat it using a double boil method for about 40 minutes over very low heat. This gentle heating process allows the beneficial compounds from the ginger, garlic, onion, peppercorns, and cloves to slowly infuse into the olive oil, preserving their valuable properties without losing potency or aroma. My mother is now over 70 years old. There was a time when her knee pain was so severe that every step felt like a struggle. But after consistently using this ginger garlic oil every day, she said her legs felt lighter, her joints more flexible, and the comfort reminded her of her younger years. Once the oil infusion is done, let it cool completely. Then strain the mixture through a fine mesh or clean cloth into a glass jar for storage. What you'll get is a clear golden herbal oil with a soothing warm scent packed with powerful natural compounds that nourish the joints and support bone health. Don't look away just yet. The next part is very important. I'll show you exactly how to use this oil correctly so you can experience faster, safer relief and feel the comfort in your joints from the very first application. Store the oil in a cool, dry place or keep it in the refrigerator to preserve its freshness, natural aroma, and full potency for your bones and joints. You can use this oil continuously for 7 to 10 days, then take a 10-day break before resuming. This short pause allows your body to fully absorb the nutrients and helps maintain long-lasting results. Now, let's discover how to use this herbal oil the right way to achieve the best results. First, gently separate a few fresh cabbage leaves. Cabbage isn't just a common vegetable in our daily meals, it's also a natural remedy, rich in vitamins K and C, as well as sulfur compounds that help draw out inflammation, reduce swelling, and soothe joint pain effectively. Next, gently pound the cabbage leaves just enough to soften them. This helps release their natural healing compounds. When combined with the herbal oil, the cabbage enhances absorption, allowing the nutrients to penetrate deeply into the joints, easing pain, reducing stiffness, and improving mobility. Here's how to do it. Apply a thin layer of the herbal joint oil to the knee or any painful joint and massage gently for a few minutes. Then place the softened cabbage leaves directly on top. Finally, wrap the area with plastic wrap and cover it with a warm towel. Keep it on for about 2 to 3 hours to let the herbal nutrients fully absorb through the skin, bringing warmth, comfort, and noticeable relief with each use. After finishing the compress, gently wipe the area with a clean towel. At that moment, you'll feel a gentle warmth spreading through your joints. The pain begins to ease, and your legs feel lighter, more flexible, and noticeably more comfortable. We've just explored a natural herbal oil formula combining ginger, garlic, onion, black pepper, clove, and cabbage leaves, simple ingredients that work together to bring remarkable relief and nourishment to your joints. Stay consistent with this routine each week, and you'll gradually notice your joints becoming stronger, more flexible, and healthier day by day. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips.